What's going on, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Depop Dropshipping account that'll sell out fast and make you earnings. Now let's hop over to a blank Depop account and show you how to set it up. Alright, now that we're over to the blank account, there are two things you're going to want to make sure that you do. First things first, you're going to want to make sure that you have a good username, not something random. So, for example, Micah's Essentials. I mean, not the best username, but it's what I came up for on the go for this video. Alright, so now that you have a good username, the second thing you're going to want to do is create an enticing bio to draw people to your account. So what you can do is, of course, you can come up with the bio on your own, or you can head over to chat. And he will generate you a good, enticing bio. And you'll just select all, and you can copy that, and then you can head back over to Depop, press the three top lines in the top right corner, press profile, go down to bio, and then paste. Great rate of finds for trendsetters, unique vintage streetwear, and must-have pieces at great prices. New drops weekly, shop new. So, probably just cut it off there. You just press the check mark, and then you press save. Alright, so now that y'all have y'all's accounts all set up, let's hop over to the PC and I'll show you how to start listing. Before we continue this video, I just wanted to stop and show you that this is a real money tactic, a real way to make money. Like, as you can see, if I go to my inbox, let's see, just in the past 17 hours, I've made 4 sales, the top 4. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know that this is real and it does work, and I'm showing you a method of how to make money. Alright, now that we're over on the blank account, we can actually get into listing an item and showing you how to make your first earnings off of Depop. So first thing you're going to want to do is click the list an item button, and then you're going to see it says add a photo. You're going to want to find suppliers like AliExpress, or you can even use your vendor links or whatever you have as a supplier. Just, you'll have to find that. Anyway, you want to find a product with good reviews and a lot sold, because it means it's a valid product. You're going to want to come over here. Usually you'll want to find the photos out of the reviews, but I've already looked through all these and none of them are good. So what you're going to want to do is come over here and just find the best laid out photos of the shirt. You're going to want to hit Windows Shift S. Now, of course, if you're on mobile, you can just go on AliExpress and screenshot and crop it. But you're going to Windows Shift S. That's how you screenshot. And then you'll just screenshot the shirt. But for the purpose of this video, I've already got on all the photos, so you'll come here, it'll open up a file to where all your screenshots are, and you can just go through and add the photos. Now for a description, you just short, straight to the point. So you can do red, long sleeve, graphic tee. And then you could even add a hashtag like hashtag Y2K. And then you can come here, and I'll usually put the sizes. And you want to come over to AliExpress. You see how they have small, medium, large. So you want to go back to your description and go small through large. Info category, it's a tops. You want to come down here and put shirts, because it's a long sleeve shirt, of course. Brand, just for this video, we'll do other, but because I don't actually know the brand of this shirt, since it's from AliExpress, condition would be brand new. Size, now you want to come through here, and you want to get every size that AliExpress offers, and you're going to come in here, and you're going to put in there and set the quantity to 10. Obviously, nobody's going to buy 30 shirts, but it's just to be safe. The color is red and burgundy. Source, but vintage, age, modern, style. We'll put streetwear, goth. You just want to put as many things as you want to boost your posting. And then you come down through here, the parcel size, always set to extra small for people who are buying your product. It lowers the shipping for them. Alright, now price. Now look, I'm buying this shirt for $2.30, and it's free shipping. You can't really get much better than that. So I mean, either way, we're definitely profiting off of this sell if we sell it. So let's say we mark the shirt up $15. That's the item price, $15. Alright, just a few touch-ups I wanted to show y'all is we could come in here and add a little more to this bio because it's pretty, and I already added this hashtag goth, so yeah, so we can add a few more things just to draw people into the post a little more, maybe make them want to buy it a little more. But anyway, as you can see, I can't post on this account because I don't have payment info because I made this account just for the purpose of this video. So let's go hop over to one of my accounts that I'm actually selling on, and I'll show you all how to ship and all that. Stay tuned. Alright, now that we are over to one of my main accounts, we can get going with the process of shipping and if you were to sell an item. So let's go over here to the selling hub, and as I told y'all, I've made 4 sales in the last 17 hours, these 4, and if you go over to AliExpress, then, well, I do it on my phone, but they're all in my cart. So make sure whatever you post on Depop, you add to your cart so that you don't get confused on like where to find it and if you lose the product. So basically what you do is they bought this product, right? And now I need to ship it. So what you have to do is you have to go over to AliExpress. Let's look up the camo sweatpants. Alright, and as you can see here, we got some very good options here. $6, although the shipping is $7. Okay, come back here. You want to find like shipping free if you can, but then again, this isn't a bad price. So we'll probably use these, and you can go back to your selling hub and see what size they bought it in. So let's check this out. They bought it in a medium. Alright, so you would buy medium, and then you would just come here and you would actually buy the item, and you would pay the total. You would buy it from AliExpress, but you would put in their address, and you can find their address on the shipping label that you will receive from Depop after they buy the item. Alright, that'll be all for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all learned something, and I hope this helps y'all make money and improve your Depop stores. Like and subscribe, and have a good rest of your day.